Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you in the category of hard floor cleaning solutions. We'll be comparing Braava Jet Hard Floor Cleaning Solution Concentrate and Roborock Official Multi-Surface Floor Cleaning Solution. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Braava Jet Hard Floor Cleaning Solution Concentrate is priced at $7, while the Roborock Official Multi-Surface Floor Cleaning Solution comes in at $18. Clearly, Braava Jet takes the lead in terms of affordability. Now let's talk about usage. The Braava Jet Hard Floor Cleaning Solution Concentrate is a multi-surface cleaner optimized for all floors, including tile, vinyl, linoleum, and laminate. It's the single solution you need for all your floor cleaning needs. On the other hand, the Roborock Official Multi-Surface Floor Cleaning Solution is designed specifically for Roborock robotic vacuums with mopping capabilities. So, if you own a Roborock product, this solution is perfect for you. However, if you have different brands of cleaning robots or multiple types of floors, the Braava Jet solution offers more versatility. Moving on to scent and compatibility, the Braava Jet Hard Floor Cleaning Solution Concentrate adds a long-lasting fresh scent to your floors and is ideal for finished hard floors. Plus, it is compatible with all Braava and Roomba combo robot mops, giving you more flexibility in choosing your cleaning device. On the other hand, the Roborock Official Multi-Surface Floor Cleaning Solution is formulated with environmentally friendly ingredients that leave a fresh and clean scent. However, it is only compatible with Roborock products. So, if you own a Roborock robotic vacuum, this solution will work perfectly for you. Let's talk about the usage instructions. For the Braava Jet Hard Floor Cleaning Solution Concentrate, you'll need to add 6 capfuls of solution and then fill the tank with water if you're using it with the Braava Jet M6 or Roomba combo. For the Braava Jet 200 or 300 series, 2 capfuls of solution are recommended. On the other hand, the Roborock Official Multi-Surface Floor Cleaning Solution should be diluted 1 to 300, meaning 1 part solution to 300 parts water. Please make sure to follow the instructions carefully for both products to achieve the best results. In summary, the Braava Jet Hard Floor Cleaning Solution Concentrate is highly valued and appreciated by users for its effective cleaning, pleasant scent, and compatibility with various cleaning devices. It is considered a game changer and offers great value for the price. On the other hand, the Roborock Official Multi-Surface Floor Cleaning Solution receives mixed reviews. While it effectively cleans without leaving streaks or odors, there are concerns about the container design and compatibility limitations. Overall, the Braava Jet solution stands out as the top choice for hard floor cleaning. And that's a wrap. In the battle of hard floor cleaning solutions, we have the Braava Jet Hard Floor Cleaning Solution Concentrate with its affordability, versatility, and compatibility with various cleaning devices. However, if you own a Roborock robotic vacuum, the Roborock Official Multi-Surface Floor Cleaning Solution is tailored specifically for you. It's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right cleaning solution for your hard floors. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.